Hello guys, and welcome to an 8th instalment of my 2020 Bonfire Night Stash videos. This is the third Epic specific pickup, and these were all purchased for their unusual, amusing and varied sound effects. So the item with the lowest NEC count is Humming Hornets, and this packs 109.6 grams of powder. I fired this during a Halloween display last year, and its hummers gave erratic high-pitched sound effects which were very amusing and a highlight for guests. So as you can see here, this gives 28 shots. It has what looks to be a 20mm bore, and as this label suggests, this is a fanned cake despite its small size. Hummer cakes are seldom seen these days, and in my opinion this is one of the very best for clarity of effect. Whistle Mix Pop is another fanned cake and shoots 3 wide via 20mm tubes. This has a higher NEC count of 149.2 grams, and again it's a firework I have enjoyed previously. For its size it's truly incredible, and it produces sonic sound effects, hummers, whistling, crackling and indescribable sounds of various pitch. I have 2 Dr. Fust Barrages for firing in pairs, and although this also hums, whistles and shrieks like the 2 pieces before it, this also has a larger emphasis on visual effects. It gives multicoloured bursts, strobing and crackling chrysanthemums, and it has a net explosive content of 185 grams. It's a straight firing cake, and due to its outstanding value for money, is an item I pick up year on year. The remaining 2 barrages are much larger in size, and again I have these yearly due to their unbeatable value and uniqueness. Heavy Duty gives 64 shots, lasts over 1 minute in duration, and has a similar 20mm tube diameter to the other cakes. Its NEC count sits at 508.4 grams, making it category F3, and this is a TARDIS of mixed effects. It begins with tranquil comet tails which majestically produce red strobing effects, before snaking spirals loudly race into the sky, screaming as they go. These give good bursts before hummers sharply zip upwards, followed by more wailing comets. These sound effects then alternate as they fight for your attention, before the cacophony ends with a final volley of 8 simultaneous shots. So the largest firework is Angry Tigers, and again this is an incredible piece which simply fills me with excitement. This loud 1.3G firework again has a 20mm tube size, and this time its explosive count nears the upper legal limit for a single cake with 950 grams of powder. This launches all 100 shots in just 45 seconds and is therefore relentless in pace as it fills the sky with a mass of colour. This also overwhelms your hearing with layer upon layer of noise and is a real crowd pleaser. Screeching serpents really stop you in your tracks, and I'll use this as I near my show's finale. So that's all for this video. As I have previously fired all of these fireworks, I can speak from experience when I say how good they are. In my opinion, nobody does unusual sound effects better than Epic Fireworks, and therefore I can wholeheartedly recommend all of these pieces. So like always, thank you for watching, and I'll post up another video soon.